Okay, today it's the 17th of November 2021. We have, was it Sauvatie?
Yeah.
4 to 6 stickies L. No, I'm sorry, that's not the L. It's, what was the stickies again?
Okay.
K. Yeah, the stickies K. This residential building has 12 staircases, and I have filmed more than one, but I can't remember which ones. So, but, yeah. I can do it later in the winter time, probably, because we don't have time now. It was built in 1972 by Kone. Its number is 2849476, modernized in 2005. But some floors. This is in Havukoski, Koivukylä, Björkby, Itä-Vantaa, Östra Vantaa, Eastern Vantaa in Helsinki has one region, also in Finland. It will be inspected in 2023. And the capacity is 4 persons, so 320 grams.
Yeah.
Polymerization. There are the original manual doors on the upper floors.
Yeah.
It will be 50 years old in next year, 2022. Modernization turned 15 years old in last year, 2020.
Ja. Inspektionspaikki vain meidän paikkoon.
Valid until 12th of March 2022 on the sticker.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's